All right, guys, we got a 2017 Subaru WRX. He brought a muffler delete kit in, and we cut off the mid resonator off of it. So, factory converter there, and I think there's another one up there. And then that's where we took out the mid resonator at right there. Continue with this existing pipe, and then the rear deletes. Like I said, it was a kit right there and right there. Coming out the back, some quad style tips. But that's the old stuff that was on it, the giant mufflers. So cut it all off. Looks a lot nicer, a lot cleaner. I'll let you guys hear it. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. All right, so mid delete and rear delete. Not bad. Sound decibels. 108's the peak on it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. '17 Subaru WRX mid delete and muffler delete. It was a kit. I'm gonna see if I can find the stuff for you guys online.